Here I have Blackview A90, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon here, and here you can find mirror, but to access this option we have to firstly switch to the front camera. Now go to settings, and here you have this mirror. So let's try to make a photo with this feature enabled and another one with it disabled, and wow, can you see? These photos are mirrored. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.